Okay.
Hindi, di ba? Pinoy.
Actually, sa tingin ko, tayo, no? As Filipino, we have a very short-term memory. At as a matter of fact, we ride on the popularity and the recognition of world-class Filipinos. Hindi natin sinusuportahan to. Saglit lang nating naalala yon. If we can use it sa politics, ipaparada mo, makikita mo, yung mga politiko, nasa likuran yan. Pero, di ba, kakaway-kaway doon, nandun sa ringside. Pero, yung mga nagbigay sa atin ng karangalan na even for a short while, wala na yan. Some become drug addicts. Hindi rin, and as a matter of fact, ito yung tayo, kailangan pang, aminado yan, pati si Sora, kailangan pang ilabas niya yung kanyang produkto para bumalik siya dito makilala. Para sa akin, ang pagpapahalaga, hindi dahil nakapag-uwi ka lang ng medalya, hindi ka lang dahil yumaman at nakakatulong sa'yo yung certain figure to endorse you. Right. But ang pagpapahalaga is to support the talent, yung distinction ng Pilipino, kailangan nating i-hold and let's take into consideration yung welfare nito even before, right, during, and after the fame has been reached.
Yeah. Pantara natin yung VIP, very inferior Filipinos, to VIP, very important Filipinos. Lahat tayo dapat gano'n.
Yes, at also, lagi nating tatandaan, you are only as good as your last performance. Kaya tayong mga Pilipino, kailangan lagi tayong magpupursige sa lahat ng ating gagawin. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And maraming salamat sa www.platinumfitness.com and to Zen Institute.
Okay.
Yan, world class. Yan, world class. I will do that. Ang mga Pilipino magagaling. So, honing your talents.
Yeah.
Anyway, kung may issue, may pagtatalunan, hindi pwedeng walang pakialam, tayuan mo at panindigan. Of course, it is Giselle Sanchez and Giorgio A. Magandang gabi po. This is Ida.
World class beauty? Ha? Pwede?
Tayo weirdo lang yung sa atin. Sabi ng father ko, sa ending, talagang weirdo lang.